Hi Tiffany, here's a video for you. Let's go ahead and start here. Question 1 that you got incorrect. One thing to remember, ICD-10 codes are always none of the above. They're not always 3, they're not always 5, they're not always 7. So just remember that they can be any 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Select the best main term for chronic trophic fibrosis of the lung. You answered lung. Now, if you would go to lung in your ICD-10 book, I'm going to say see condition. But at least if you go to fibrosis, it's going to have the subterm lung. All of the following are advantages of ICD-10 except this is not an advantage. The code length is shorter, allowing memorization of codes. Once again, you can never ever memorize a code. I'm not saying you can't, but there'd be so many codes. So, and the code length is not shorter. The code length is actually quite long. All symptom codes are found in Chapter 18. All symptom codes are found in 18. Some can be in other chapters. A good example would be dehydration. That will be an E code, which is not in Chapter 18. That can be a sign or symptom of something. Okay, valid codes. The correct answer here, if you would look up F19.2 in your tabular, you will see that that is not a valid code. As you see here, F19.2 needs a 5th digit, so that is not a valid code. All right, move down to number 10. Select the block that would contain the code for history of brain cancer. Okay, so once again, the block, and the correct answer is going to be Z77 through Z99. Make sure you double check that. SNOMED CT will be critical in the development of the electronic health record. So if you really went through, so this right here is a good definition. Your SNOMED CT was designed for computers and the digital exchange of information. So yeah, I'm not saying that telemedicine didn't come down, further down the line, but initial was the electronic health record. Okay, which organization published the first edition of SNOMED? The correct answer is going to be the American College of Pathologists. The World Health Organization, they developed your ICD, which is all of your classification systems. American College of Surgeons, they deal with more of hospitals and journals. And then your AMA is going to be your CPT. So let's go down here, and it looks like I covered them all. So if you have any questions, let me know.